In this video, we will show you how to remove background in Gimp software. In here, for example, we already prepare the image that we want to remove the background. Okay, this image contain background whites, and we will show you how we can remove the background in two methods using Gimp software. Using easy method if background is contain just one color white like this, and also how to remove the complex background. Okay, in here we can just close this, and we already open the GIMP. We can open our file. Okay, this is the image that we want to remove the background. And first thing, the most important thing before removing the background here, you need to right click on the layer of your image and choose the Add Alpha channel. This is to make sure your image can be transparent later. Just add alpha channel here. After you add alpha channel, in here, this is the easy method if your image contain one color. For example, here is white. Okay, after you right click and add alpha channel, okay, then you need to go to the fuzzy select tool here. Just select this fuzzy select tool, and you can click on the background side. Okay, just click here. You can see it's selected automatically. You can increase the threshold, but this is, we just let it by default. And you can press delete button on your keyboard. You can see after you press delete button on your keyboard, the background in here is deleted. You can also click on the left side. Okay, this is the easy method for number one. After you select using this fuzzy select tool and you press delete on your keyboard, the background is deleted. Now you can click select here and click none to preview. You can see this is the result for the first method. Then you can export files and export as, make sure you export as PNG files. You can select file type and choose PNG here. Okay, is PNG image, and you can give Naruto 1 for example for the name, and you can click export. After that, we can click export again. Then we can close this. Okay, and we discard the change for the tutorial or method number second. This is the first. Okay, this is the original, and this is using first method. Okay, this is using the first method. Okay, original, the first method. And let's do the second method if your background color is more complex. We can open again the file. Okay, still using this because we need just this for example. And if your background is complex, you can using manual selection. How to do that? But the first thing is still you need to right click in here and choose add alpha channel. And after that, this is the different. If we can using fuzzy tool in the before, now we can just using free select tool here. Make sure you are using the free select tool. Choose this, and in here you can select one by one. Okay, for example, this is the complex background. You can select one by one like this. Okay, this is I doing for fast. Just for example, it can be done. And after like this, you can press delete on your keyboard and do with all the background. If you want to deselect this, you can just click deselect and choose none. And you can also using shortcut shift control plus A here. Then you can make another selection. Do this until all the background is removed. Okay, okay, then make sure this is selected and press delete again. Okay, then you can press select and none, and repeat the step until all background is removed, and then you can export. Okay, for the tips, you can view and you can zoom. Okay, for example, zoom in like this, or you can using control plus scroll on your mouse to make sure the selected is very 3D. Here you can see I choose like this, for example, in the ear. This is for manual, little bit longer, but the result is perfect. Okay, not like using fuzzy tool. We can delete this and do until the background is deleted. Then you can export the result without the background. And to deselect, once again, you can using none or shift control plus A. And after that, you can export the file if the background is deleted, and export as in here. For example, select again for PNG and using the name Naruto 2. Okay, and you can click export. So we can click export again. We have the two results. One is manual and the second is manual selection, or one is automatically, the second is using manual selection. Okay, this is using automatically and this is using manual selection. If using manual selection, we suggest you to do it patient, and you can do little bit by little bit and done with perfectly. And that's all tutorial how to remove background in Gimp. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.